WIZcube, a tribute to legends Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Without those, WIZcube never have been born. All began one morning of 2005 when Arduino idea was born. As Wiki states, the initial Arduino core team consisted of Massimo Banzi, David Cortiels, Tom Igo, Gianluca Martino, and David Mellis. Apparently the name Arduino comes from a bar in Ivrea, Italy, where some of the founders of the project used to meet. We all know what happened next. The historic Arduino Uno was born.
We call them visionaries.
Then, in another cold morning in 2006 at Cambridge, UK, another team that included Eben Upton, Rob Mullins, Jack Lang and Alan Mycroft at the University of Cambridge's Computer Laboratory founded the idea. What next became the Raspberry Pi Foundation in 2008. We all know what happened next. The historic Raspberry Pi Model B was born.
We call them visionaries.
In a warm morning in 2019 at Volos, Greece, an unknown industrial automation technician and maker, following the Arduino and Raspberry evolution from day one, after building many projects with different PCB sizes, decided that something must be done for makers to share PCB designs. All modules will be industrial-grade controllers that can be used again and again. Not to substitute other designs, but to become a complementary hardware-agnostic platform capable of accommodating any idea, based on Arduino and Raspberry. That was the easy part. The difficult part was the standards necessary for everybody to exchange designs, capable of interconnecting each other, based on Arduino and Raspberry. Then M10Cube specs was written in 2020. The M10Cube was born.
We call him Dreamer.
Finally, in a really cold morning 31 of January of 2022, Olivier Gallard in Denmark and Vasilis Vorias in Greece, two passionate makers and M10Cube supporters, decided to experiment with the M10Cube idea and participate in a WIZnet PICO contest. WIZcube was born. A brick towards the building of a large wall. We do not know what will happen next, but WIZcube.eu is here to stay.
We call them WIZcrafters.
What on earth is that?
CNC controller. "24-volt in and out." "24-volt in and triac out." "24-volt relay out." CNC remote controller.
The end, or the beginning of a new era?